All right, you want to feel safer whether you're at home or on the road. So we have lined up some of the best to do-it-yourself security devices.
Home contractor Skip BEDELL joins us now with more. Hey, Skip, you're protecting our houses.
I am, guys. So this is a standard front entry door. Just for statistics, burglars like to come through the door, not windows, because the sound of glass breaking travels a long way. It's much easier for them to go through the door. The standard front door is very easy to get through, believe it or not, because most of the locks are held together with just standard small screws. In a minute, I'm going to demonstrate to you a system that we're going to show to fortify your door. But first, I want to demonstrate. We got Carl here. He's going to try to kick in this front door. This is just standard hardware, what's on every front door around America. And keep in mind, also, every 15 seconds, there's a break-in in the United States.
Okay.
So go ahead. Let's see if we can get through that door, Carl.
14.
Try a little donkey kick.
The donkey kick?
Okay. Whoa.
There you go.
All right, so guys, if you come around, if you see right here, you can see what happened to this door frame, how easy this is broken, right? It just blew the wood right out of it. Okay, so this is a standard front door, one kick. It takes less than 10 seconds to get through your front door.
Okay.
Let me show you this system. This is Door Armor, sold in Lowe's, sold in Amazon. You can find it all over the place. Installs in 30 minutes. Here's what it looks like. Look, very clean, very nice, but it gets screwed to your front door. All you need is a screw gun or a screwdriver. It fortifies the door side, the strike side, and also your hinges.
That side too.
That's the whole kit right there. It's super easy. Under 30 minutes to install it. Let's go ahead and lock the door. Now, I think we have video back that we're going to roll in a few minutes, but this is tested by sheriff's departments around the world with battering rams. They can hit this thing for 20 minutes, not going through it. So, Carl, go ahead, give it a couple shots. We're going to keep at it, buddy. Keep at it, buddy. Keep going. That's it. All right, guys. Door Armor by Armor Concepts. Installs in 30 minutes. Very simple kit. You're going from these screws to these screws and fortifying the door with steel. Unbelievable.
All right, what's back here?
Travel as you go.
Yeah, so travel as you go. So this is Sabre. This is a famous company with all the law enforcement agencies around the country. They make pepper sprays, make a lot of different safety devices. This is one of my favorite things. I use this at home. I use it when I travel because it collapses. You prop this up against the door, you get total stability into that door. You can expand it and put it in a sliding glass patio door or up against your entry door, up to your doorknob. It prevents the kick-ins also.
Yeah.
That layered with this, I love this thing, guys. This is a very simple gadget. You just simply put it underneath your door. Any tampering with that door, you're going to get a super loud alarm which can be heard up to 1,500 feet away, and it's going to alert neighbors. So what's great about this is that you can give this to the kids to take to their dorm rooms. You can use this in hotel rooms. You can travel with both of these things. Now you're fortifying that door, and you're also having an alarm. Why that's important, and even with that, right, it's not going to prevent everything, but what it's going to do is buy you time. If it takes some 10 minutes or 10 seconds to get through that door, that's going to give you that time to call 911, maybe to retrieve your firearm, to get an escape plan. Same thing with this. You know, when you hear that alarm, you're now notified. You're up. You're out of bed.
You get your brass knuckles.
You can get to whatever it is.
I'm worried about Brian when he's traveling in Central Park.
Yeah, so let me tell you about this. So this is what Sabre's really famous for. They make the world's best pepper sprays. So this is something different than any others. This is a smart pepper spray. It comes with a kit, just like you see here. It connects with Bluetooth to your phone. It has a charging cable. It even has a practice spray, so you can get used to how far it, you can practice using it. But what's really cool about this is that Bluetooth connects to your phone. If you deploy this, people on your list, you can put I think up to 10 people on your list are going to get a notification of where you are. Live GPS. You've activated your pepper spray. It gives live GPS tracking. It also notifies police with live GPS tracking. So if you're in let's say a mall parking lot, you come out of your car, you deploy this, Brian, everybody, we're all getting messages. Ainsley's in trouble. Police know where you are.
When do we know it's out of? We got to make sure to charge that.
Yeah. So this, so what it does, it notifies your phone if it needs a charge or if also running low, and plus you can recharge the fluid inside of this.
And if we want more information, we go to skipbedell.com.
Always skipbedell.com. We're keeping you safe, man. That's what we do.
All right, thanks, Skip. See you guys on radio. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye, everyone.
So long, everybody.